Welcome back to another LinkedIn quick tip. In this one, I'm talking about how to change your settings so people can't tag you on their posts or comments. So you will click on me right at the top here, go to your settings and privacy. From there, you will now click on visibility. And you'll just scroll down to mentions or tags. So you'll just choose this option right here. And what it says is allow others to mention or tag you in content posted on LinkedIn. And you'll be able to choose yes or no. And this is not just for posts, but it's also for comments as well as pictures. And there may be different reasons why people may want to tag you, but sometimes it's spam and people are just trying to increase visibility on their posts and they're continuously tagging you on their content. It can get annoying sometimes, and so a way that you can avoid this is by turning the setting off on your profile. That way they won't be able to tag you on their posts. If you're looking to change your visibility settings on LinkedIn and adjust your privacy settings in terms of who can see what on your LinkedIn profile, check out this video right here. I go through 3 different privacy settings on LinkedIn that you should make sure are adjusted on your profile. I'll see you in that one. Take care.